Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with Vlogmas week 3. I don't know how it is already week 3. It's so crazy. I feel like Vlogmas just started and now it's already week 3. I just went and got a coffee. Now I'm about to do some major deep cleaning, just like a whole weekly reset. My apartment is so messy. I have a lot of cleaning and just a bunch of stuff to do. I need to water my plants, clean my apartment, and just get everything clean for the week ahead. So I thought I would kind of vlog that and take you guys along. I did like a Poshmark live show and I feel like my whole room is just torn apart. Like I have clothes everywhere. So I need to clean up a little bit from that. Just gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning and organizing, getting my life together. I think this is gonna be a fun week. I have some plans later on in the week, like probably like the very last day. Let's just get into the vlog. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thumbs up if you're enjoying Vlogmas, and comment below what you have planned for this week. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's just get into the vlog. It is a little bit later. I'm taking a Princess Polly picture. It's so cold. I got a little bit of the Christmas tree in the back. Like I got some good pictures. It was really cold. I was freezing, but I at least got some really cute pictures. And I tried a new spot. I think I'm gonna run in Target and actually get some Christmas paper because I'm gonna do all my Christmas wrapping this week. Okay, I got my sugar cookie latte and now I'm gonna go shop for some wrapping paper. I found some really cute wrapping paper. I'm gonna get this one. It's like red and metallic with little snowflakes. This blue one with Christmas trees. This one, it's like white with like different colored Christmas trees. This one, it's like white with like metallic, multicolored like houses and Christmas trees. There's a lot of cute wrapping paper. If you need wrapping paper, definitely come to Target. I just got these. It is the next day. I'm about to get a Starbucks holiday drink. I'm gonna be doing all of my Christmas wrapping today. I'm actually filming a whole entire like wrap my Christmas presents with me vlog and what I'm giving for Christmas. I kind of want to try something new, like a hot chestnut praline, because I've never gotten one of those, or it's been a long time since I've gotten one of those. But I also kind of want to get something that I know I'm gonna love, so I can't decide. Grande iced sugar cookie latte. I literally couldn't decide, so I just decided to go with the sugar cookie latte. It sounded really good, even though it's like freezing cold and rainy today. I got my sugar cookie latte. This drink is so good. I'm literally obsessed. Now I'm just gonna go home and wrap my Christmas gifts. It is much later. I just finished wrapping all of my gifts and filming my Christmas wrapping video. It literally took so long to wrap all of my gifts and film this video. It's been really gloomy and dark all day. So I pulled my ring light out of storage that I've had for like a really long time and never used. Let me show you guys my gift. Here's my gifts. I think they all turned out super cute. I just need to clean up this mess. I just have a big mess that I need to clean up. It is a couple days later. I just got a coffee, a large iced vanilla latte with cinnamon powder. So good. I haven't really vlogged the last couple days because I've been really busy. I've been really productive. I've like filmed and edited 3 different videos. I have one that's going up after Christmas, but I just needed to get it sent into the brand. Another one that's going up in a couple days that I needed to get sent into the brand. And then one that is not sponsored that I'm just gonna upload tomorrow. Lots of filming and editing. I need to finish editing the one that I'm posting tomorrow. My apartment is really, really messy. Once again, tell me how it gets so messy so fast. I don't understand. I have like Christmas wrapping paper everywhere. I have boxes everywhere. I have stuff from the videos I filmed everywhere. This morning, I've just been kind of like cleaning and getting stuff done. Lots and lots of laundry. My sister's coming in town tomorrow, and I know it's gonna be really busy this weekend. I just wanted to get like all of my work done and cleaning and all of that. I got pretty much all my Christmas wrapping done. I just have a couple gifts that I need to wrap. I'm gonna go back home and speed clean my apartment and just hopefully get it all cleaned up within less than an hour. I also need to redo my fake tan. It is like so bad. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. I'm getting sushi with my friend Kylie. I'm also going to dinner with my family for my cousin's 13th birthday. Hi Jackson, if you're watching, happy birthday. I'm gonna go speed clean, and I hope that my cleaning montage is satisfying and motivating if you guys need to clean as well. Let's go. It is a little bit later. My apartment is looking much cleaner now, especially my living room. Really quickly, I just wanted to unbox a couple packages. The first one is from Jerf Avenue. I think everything in my order actually shipped separately. She launched like all of the new holiday stuff, lots of like homeware, pajamas, oven mitts, like cute little makeup bags, just tons of cute stuff. I got these pajama pants. How cute. I got the whole pajama set, like literally so cute. They're like a soft t-shirt material. I'm really excited for the top to come. I don't really have any matching set type pajamas. I usually just wear sweats to bed, so I just thought these little pajamas were so cute. I also put these little oven mitts and this makeup bag on my wish list, so you might be seeing those in my what I got for Christmas video. Next, I did order something from Aritzia. I ordered this during like the clientele Black Friday sale, whatever it's called. These were back ordered, so I just now got them. I'm really excited because these have been on my wish list for a while, and they're actually a matching piece to something else that I got. How cute. I love their like Christmas packaging. I just love like their packaging in general. Here we go. I ordered the TNA cargo sweatpants. I've been wearing sweats like every single day. I just can't be bothered to wear jeans these days because most days I'm at home filming or editing and I'm just like, nobody's seeing me, I'm not going anywhere. Like, it's so cold outside. I used to actually get up and put jeans on every single day, like even if I was just at home editing. That's not me anymore. I've been wearing sweats so much and everybody is like obsessed with these, so I just really wanted to order them. While they were on sale, they were 10% off. These are really thick and really soft, and I have the matching sweatshirt. These are not real pockets. They do not open. These just seem like really thick and soft and cozy and comfy. The sweatshirt that I got that kind of like goes with these has been my favorite sweatshirt. I have been wearing it so much since I got it, like actually like every single day it seems like. So I feel like I'm gonna really love these, but I'm gonna have to try them on. I got them in a size medium. That is my little unboxing clothing haul. I feel like I'm already obsessed with those two pieces. I think they're gonna be my new favorites. Here's all the gifts I wrapped the other day. As you can see, there's a couple right here that need to be wrapped, so I thought I could get that done now. The first thing is these socks from Lululemon. These are for my sister's boyfriend. My sister and her boyfriend are gonna be in town this weekend, so I definitely need to get these wrapped. I'm just wrapping them in this Glossier box. I'm gonna use this wrapping paper. I like to take this little twine and wrap it around. How it turned out. Next, I have these Uggs for my mom. This is kind of a last minute gift. I just wanted to get her a nice gift that's kind of like a splurge. She helps me with my Instagram pictures. She helps me with a lot of stuff. And as you guys know, I'm really close with my mom. So I just wanted to get her something really nice. And she really wants Uggs. And this is something she kind of mentioned recently. I hope she really likes them. I thought I would give her these. It's over a week before Christmas and all of my gifts are purchased and wrapped, and that just feels so good. I think I'm just gonna have a little self-care night. I really need to exfoliate and redo my fake tan. It just looks really, really splotchy. I have a self-tan routine on my channel, so I'll link it here if you guys wanna check it out, see the whole process. I just need to take my makeup off and get in the shower. I might even do like a little hair mask or something. I thought I would do like a little skincare routine. I feel like it's been a while since I've actually done a skincare routine. I'm gonna clip my hair back. I just start off with this eye makeup remover. I don't really wear a lot of eye makeup anymore now that I have eyelash extensions. Micellar water or eye makeup remover. I'll just kind of remove eyebrow product. If I do have any like eyeshadow or eye product, and any bottom mascara. I start with that. My eyebrows are really light naturally. I feel like I look crazy. And then I use this Clinique cleanser to just kind of cleanse my face and remove my makeup. I'm looking nice and pasty. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Super Pure Serum. This basically helps with any like redness or breakouts, kind of helps dry them up and get rid of the redness. If my skin is doing well, then I'll use the Super Glow Serum from Glossier, which just kind of helps give my skin a nice glow. Lately, my skin has been very dry. It just kind of suddenly got really cold. This Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum. I've only been using it for like a couple days, so I can't really say if it's been helping, but I mean, so far I like it. Lastly, I just use moisturizer. I have a couple different ones that I like. So I have this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I recently got the Summer Fridays Cloud something, and then I have a couple from Drunk Elephant that I really like. I have this one that I really like. Just kind of depends on what I'm in the mood for. I'm just gonna use this one. Lastly, a little lip balm. I love this Jack Black one. I've been using it for a really long time. That is my like basic winter skincare routine, like not anything super special. Finished getting ready. Now I'm about to go get sushi with Kylie. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Here's a quick OOTD. I just have on this black chunky turtleneck, an oversized black leather jacket, some vintage Levi's, this brown bag from Princess Polly, and of course my New Balances. That is my outfit. Oh my gosh, thank you. That's so nice. It is a little bit later. My sister just got to town. I think we're gonna run some errands and pick up a few last minute gifts before dinner. We have dinner reservations in an hour. I just got to my parents' house. My sister's car is in the driveway, which literally just makes me so happy. And today actually really feels like Christmas. We are doing some Christmas shopping. We just went in this really cute like home decor store. I literally just bought 3 Christmas decorations for myself. I have no self-control. Excited for Christmas that I don't have to study.